Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Cleveland Hopkins International Airport again. Southwest Airlines 1185 heading off to Nashville. It's a 737 MAX 8. Hope you guys are having a great day today. We are here for a United 777. It's going to land here later on in this video, so stay tuned for that. We moved to the other side to Heartland payroll, but we got a diversion inbound. United Airlines 516 is diverting out of Atlanta, and this flight was supposed to go to Chicago O'Hare. Delta Connection 5194 inbound from LaGuardia, New York. Alaska Airlines Flight 216 inbound from Seattle. This is a 737 MAX 9. American Eagle 5027 inbound from DCA, Washington. Frontier Flight 1832 inbound from Tampa Bay, A321neo. I think this tail has Midnight the Wolf on it. American Airlines Flight 1484 737-800 inbound for Dallas-Fort Worth, DFW. Delta Airlines 1350 inbound from Atlanta. I saw a lot of diversions going on in Chicago and some other airports. I don't know if some of those diversions will be coming here, but we'll have to find out soon. Here we got Gulfstream Jet down from Midway, Chicago. United 2476 and out from Denver. It looks like we got another diversion inbound. United Airlines Flight 541 inbound from Vieux-Fort, St. Lucia, overseas. Another diversion right here. Sort of a rare diversion. United Express 6129 inbound from IAD, Washington. Delta Connection 3851 inbound from Detroit, DTW. Frontier Airlines 3091 inbound from LaGuardia. A321-200. Alright guys, we got our 777 inbound. United Airlines 3812. It's a 777-200 inbound from Philadelphia. It's our Browns charter after they won across the Eagles. It's a wide body aircraft right here.